Sam George, who position, you know? Now we can Nkrofo no mu yedede pa, especially about data prices.
Professor Kwesiata once said they are quick to talk. Ebaniya he had, and that is what is happening to Honorable Sam Nati George. It has got to do with data.
Yeah.
When he was in opposition, he had solutions to how he could help reduce the prices of data. Calling him a cloud chaser, they make sense to anyone. Just get to work. If by let's say 6 months time or 5 months time, you come back and tell us that, oh, Charlie, I have a solution. Data prices have been reduced.
Ebusa social media ne so aye the pay you monchimaka how we eja the whole blue. Ni nyina say Kwadwo Sheldon, other TikTokers, other classmates, Sam George, your Minister for Information Communication, any bongo ideas. So far as data bundle prices, your concern, I have Penyah Block Media. Let's say any demo. Over like if you do not room, I will subscribe us and click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better why me their mama ever comments and she mess up baswa. Watch the video for any be ashe. It's where Kaya back at 24 Sam George there. Or Kasa pay Sam George had solution to every problem of this country. Sam George in opposition 2024. Now, how was he Kasa Utina? He had solution to every problem. Etina or Kasa and Nyajenso with aura. Emma Bekaya, or putting many blame on Esrausu, Tamna Esrausu and the Minister for Information Communication. Sam George blame Esrausu data one the boy at Zumbando, Nebo as what I had in Kakra. Or blame as also on many occasions. As you're gonna for saying Toma and this government have power, data band of Bob call from any other. Interestingly, you talk about Mahama, every day on this Sam George I got to Minister for Information and Communication was soon if you Cassia. Was soon Sam George, Fidia boy, Fidia Sam George ain't me, and you know one ain't try and you know ain't free was soon if you pa or then I got to Honomo. And then you have data band of whatever back from data band of Fede aye. The boy didn't cross in a caneno. Because as blogger, at first, now your Vodafone, your data bundle coder, now you're the 1 city in your 1 gig, 2 cities in your 2 gig, 3 cities in your 3. But now, if we are almost that often. Everyone, it's a data bundle, I'll be a drink class in the first. No, and more animal taking tree guy. No, I call Twitter, and I got your comic post, and I say, you keep on talking about the previous administration for the past 6 months in power, even though during the last 8 years, all your posts so you know exactly what's going on. I don't remember your boss President Mahama blaming anyone now, and all he's doing is fixing. At this point, if you can't do this job, just announce it. And I got today, Sam George said, Sam George, Onkwan na minister among all the appointees of Mahama, 6 months in office still who blame the previous government for bad leadership. Omunyo 6 months. Obetima ya adwuma nti na oba ya to so ba Mahama di gba na sha wonsa odu di nti na odo to this particular position nti ya adwuma fa se untimi so a it is never too late resign near fan back forever and shana emu na Sam George ever reply and not say keep chasing clouds. I am dealing and responding to persons who understand what they are talking about in the industry. By the way, have you been paying your taxes on all the gadgets you've been importing into the country? Or you are evading tax by sitting in the USA and selling in Ghana? Patriotism goes beyond chasing clouds to actually contributing your quota. Let's have a conversation about Ghana when you start being a law-abiding citizen and paying the relevant taxes on the items you sell in Ghana. In the meantime, grab a front row seat and watch me deliver on my mandate. Cheers. Sam George, I reply with a cheek. I can't even go massa. Oh no. Or reply to Omu Omadrimu Do. Omu more into tech. Omadrimu Do actually. Why do you know technology? Omu na ono Sam George. Olu DLA. Now all guy require a question for sure. Tech tree guy no. Or tech or deal with tech gadgets really didn't now. Or only Ghana or USA but our shop and I do a Ghana hammer or to text and I do them. And that's what you say. Oh, they want out on plan. Oh no. Unja tax. What to be around to go over Pakistan. Some person want to make a sa, but Ghana habituate our tax and sana or Kasa me Sam George, may you are not. Meanwhile, Sam George I can't ask him we know. Back here 2025 free, exactly 20th May, and Sam George told Lesos or ye Lesos a blue guy, or ye Lesos no. And what your petition, a command finance ministry for grant tax exemption. Sam George pay grant tax exemption on person between their taxes any other day. Just open duty free. Less or now what turn the mono. 4 months in office, what or less or mono, or pay taxes free. Or better way to have about no can't be said. Or to USA, Nemaka or Deba Ghana, or this way to taxes into Omra Ghana with the tax. And Sana, or not be come about data band of war. And to wait, anyone could share them. I beg it can be edited Sam George.
Professor Kwesiata once said, they are quick to talk. Ebaniya, he had. And that is what is happening to Honorable Sam Nate George. Now, when Honorable Sam Nate George was in opposition, he had solutions for everything. From Galamsey to LGBTQ to data to every single thing.
True.
He was so opinionated about everything. He had solutions. He was the one that said it will take the government, a president with that willpower, 2 weeks to eliminate Galamsey from the system. When his government came to power, it has turned to back and forth and things. So right now, you see, his issue is he said a lot of things in opposition. So anytime he comes on a TL, Twitter, like some people were asking us what TL is, it's timeline.
Yeah,
Twitter timeline. The newsfeed is timeline. We call it timeline. So for those who don't know what a TL is, it's a timeline. Now, anytime he comes on a TL to tweet anything unrelated to like the things that he has even said in the past, people bring out receipts.
Yeah.
And bro, when it comes to a politician where you get receipt beyond, his videos, screenshots, like artworks, he has them, bro. Compilation. Now his very few people saw what happened, and that one said they had to cut it because he has said a lot of things about people. And so right now, it's not like people are even criticizing him. They are using his own words against him. Now, one thing that has, this thing that the story that we are coming to talk about, it has got to do with data. When he was in opposition, he had solutions to how it could help reduce the prices of data. Now, data be very vital. It be very vital to what we do here. Without data, people cannot watch our videos.
What we are doing.
When the MPP was in power, you remember what me and the Tech EP guy did? Bro, I sat in a meeting with NCA. Me and Tech EP, we sat in a meeting with the bosses of NCA, and they tried to explain to us all that.
Then Tech EP, I'm sure he has Honorable's notification.
Oh, yes, of course.
Anytime Honorable posts, he get data ready. They go can counter. Then he came to the comment, was like, you keep talking about the previous administration for 6 months in power. Even though during the last 8 years, all your posts show that you know exactly what is going on. I don't remember your boss, President Mahama, blaming anyone. All he's doing is fixing. At this point, if you can't do this work, just announce it already. This is what Tech EP said. That make you stop the blame previous government and go straight to the point.
Because right now, we are 6 months into the governance.
Yes.
Keep chasing clouds. Hold on. So a genuine concern from Tech EP has been reduced to cloud chasing. Communication 101, 0/10. Twaso.
Keep chasing clouds.
And this is from a minister of state, though. This is from a minister of state. You see, I do not have anything against Honorable Sam George has always been like this. He has always been cheeky with his answers when he was in opposition. People mistook it for confidence. Yes, Jata, and then you go add the hashtags, you go add the Jata emoji and sons. Yes, now people are seeing the difference. Imagine if it be Eslowusu, you say this. Eslowusu was never on Twitter.
I remember before the NPP government would leave, Eslowusu on her 60th birthday, she organized a party for her own birthday.
Already,
the whole Twitter.
Where
they say she take the data money,
go organize party. You see, Eslowusu was not even active on Twitter. All the time that I saw Esla post on Twitter, it was about maybe we have commissioned this, we have commissioned. He was not active. She was not active on Twitter. If Eslowusu had said something like this, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Everybody online.
Eslowusu was dragged and crucified for less. Is from Bafo. Say over the bar. This one they do your focus on the main issue and stop deflecting. This is from the legend. They say, bro, we have a whole minister giving such answers to a harmless question. God will judge all of us. This is from Kobina. Say, Radi, I don't blame this guy one bit. The incompetence of the MPP caused this. This is from Kobe. He say, if NDC no win power next election, it be sick of people like this. Sack this man as soon as possible. And when you go to the comment section, it's like dragging upon dragging upon dragging. Now listen, we do not want to see him fail because at the end of the day, data prices, it's going to have effect on us. We are content creators. People buy data to watch our videos. Your job is to do the job. If you cannot do the job, pass the job to another person to do the job.
True.
Until then, this back and forth and the cheeky answer, as a minister, you have to elevate. You have to move above that. There has to be
Sam George, who opposition, you know. Now what can Nkrofo no mu yedede pa, especially about data prices. Now data prices boarding, data prices boarding, data prices boarding. What about office? 6 months into office, you teach about data prices. Now no part if half a year you're unable to work on data prices, you are not fit to be in that office. 6 months into maintain opposition so and I will be QV8 and a QV8 and you say then you who can watch and also super in this year chairman utrumu to be on also you need a hope money found your double standards no yen chemamo ibijina so watch something.
Sam George, I am channeling these particular grievances to you because you are the minister in charge of communications, digital technology and innovations in Ghana. I heard recently that you had a meeting with the telco CEOs to prompt them of the fact that they are providing poor data and network services to Ghanaians recently, irrespective of the fact that data services especially is expensive in Ghana. Honorable Sam George, I am admonishing you that the next time you organize such a meeting, kindly invite me to the table. Let me have a say. Like I promise you, the Telecel CEO, he will leave the meeting without telling anyone because of what I'm going to say to him. Because tell me why you buy data from Telecel and it won't even work. You buy data, it won't work. Personally, listen, Telecel Ghana, you people are squashing people's businesses, especially people who are using your data network to run their businesses online. You people are squashing it. I will use myself as an example. I got about 3 contracts from some Chinese companies. They just wanted me to join a Zoom meeting. I bought data from Telecel. Telecel, it is not working. You squash the business. You squash the contract. Listen, if I had the legal backing, the first ever telecommunications network in Ghana that I will sue is Telecel. I will sue you people to the extent that you can't even pay me. You have to sell the whole company to pay me.
Sheldon can we na Bongo ideas ekotena Twitter ekotwe do pefa Sheldon ze Sheldon oya PP ni he is not a voice of reason. Si ekasa eriso beka bi ontra baby and the MPP was not talking. Adena now no obekasa. And now Bongo ideas have been giving Sheldon a very tough time on Twitter. Debiana or KB fan did not attempt. And then here taking trigger ya okobusa sound question yen. Or hosting, space on Twitter. And there was a honour. Bongo ideas and you share a class. Now, so you share AC fire Bongo ideas pan and Yasim Kuma.
Calling him a cloud chaser, they make sense to anyone. Just get work. If by let's say 6 months time or 5 months time, you come back and tell us that, oh, Charlie, I have a solution. Data prices have been reduced by this and so and so. We move. That is all we want. Very critical of this government. When you were in opposition, you had solutions to every single problem in this country. Chamo, we have given you the position. Show us the working. Right now, it turned Twitter fingers. Come on, bro. He thinks there will be kiddies for this country. I come and talking about, and you have declared your stand. I have openly declared my stand. I would rather be known as an MPP member than being a hypocrite and taking money from politicians and just be posting rubbish on the TL. Pombo class.
As my MPP for NDC for by a issue at hand. Data boy, some George
data. You see, when MPP was in power, did you know? The beginning of the conversation, I said it. When MPP was in power, me then Tech in Tree, we were at NCA, bro. Who was on GTV back in early morning telling the government to reduce data prices? It be me then Tech in Tree, them did one. That time they didn't know I was MPP.
The only reason why
what are you people talking about? No, that guy for a guy that always talks about intellectual abilities and capacities in IQ check like Charlie. I don't understand, bro. I don't get it. Yeah. If and we say this now your phone will be to say you spearhead social media communication on social media. What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Who need data instead of you to stop? You don't even have data. Instead of you to support tech in key to actually spare this conversation. People watch my video. Do you know what people have been doing? Right now, they go wait enact 12, then they go use that free night bundle, then watch my videos and so on. Charlie, people they tired. We are all talking about we are coming to talk about. What do you know about SMP? What do you know about SMP? Do you know the conversations that we have had? Do you know the meetings that we have sat in? Who do you know, bro? Why no know? What forward down? Now who Bongo ideas? Let me see NDC now. I have phone when you baby. Now the baby I mentioned not put it rough. That guy make you not even cross my. I go beat them rough.
Kojo.
What my Jimmy for? Jimmy on social media every day. What Jimmy say? You need to prepare. I'm over here reducing it. I'm going to Jimmy for you better now. And you have declared your. What are you talking about, bro?
Relax.
No, Jimmy has been going on for a very long time. You people, this is the guy that actually spread information to this platform that I have a diplomatic passport. Till today, he has not proven it. And you have some foolish people on the TL who believe in that. This is the guy that said, I traveled to the US to go and beg a lady or whatever to marry me. Like some foolish things. Then you people encourage this fool, bro. What the fuck?
So didn't here, you be
No. I for make that guy not say no. Now we'll be begging for Juma that year. Assem naba. It is something we come. When move from Jimmy and international social media on. Then you what? Me say NDC na your phone will be to say Bongo. You might Adnan Perry no are scared in conversation about NDC on social media. I have fool. Then you say politics is politics. But when you are doing your politics, no, me don't involve my name, bro. Anywhere I go find that guy, hand go touch him, bro.
Bongo, Obesanya Kasabia now data nasa.
Only data, we need data. I see push center table. You dey push center table for you. We are talking about food. They have increased the prices of. They have introduced this a petroleum whatever levy. Yeah, Kassawo. Your bicycle are driving. You know the bicycle you dey ride. Up forward down. I don't know why they even accept them.
Aaron, many problems. So Obenya Ahobras.
Send number, make it send number. I go find down for the rest of his life.
Sheldon, stand down.
Bongo, I don't
know what Jimmy stand. You people are sat on this platform for this particular guy to spew. Like the things that we see, the thing is, if you want to sue this guy, it'd be like if you will end up paying for his lawyers because nothing. He don't get nothing. So sometimes I sit all the lies that this guy has spewed about me, bro, on his tail, bro, and people actually believe it. The diplomatic passport one way he pay me, bro, because me the contemporary passport that they carry to move around. This fool sat on his platform and lied, and people believed in it because all these things is because I belong to the NPP. Now then, do you see me attacking people because they belong to the NDC? Have you ever seen me done that before? What kind of foolish politics is this? And you have fools on the TL supporting this thing. Now, more time, baby. All of you, me see anybody that did me bad, your time will come.
So, Bongo, SMP no, Bongo, SMP now kind. Mami explain what
SMP. You want SMP? You go significant market something. Crashing one tear say.
I say significant market player, power.
It is not even player. It is power, bro. Chini in one tear say. See, wait. Me see, we do know the people that we have met. Wait, imagine inviting Bongo ideas for a SMP communications. Apito.
You be intellectual.
Charlie,
intellectual.
No problem. You will not be intellectual. No, yeah. Do be happy be on here. Take you keep fighting. May I will support you from afar, but fighting for Ghanaians there. May God forbid.
So Bongo, I mean explaining sir, I SMP way. Before so mo best started say SMP way no. Na NTM for shares. Ewo Ghana market shares no na endru 60% cry. So omo SMP na omo putting in place no aim for generating a lot of revenue for themselves. Enye
kaiswa oza come despite obi an automobile museum no akwa we Bongo idea say abeka say nyansem bia nim say despite e wosika we dey automobile museum na wosika adentina onfa MBA businesses Emma Ghana phone enya benya ena beboa oman no ara say nyanse bia nim say all this sika we MBA automobile museum fa so bia ni so mewa Now Richard Niamakwe are spending millions of dollars at the birthday. I know they are craft for Nankasa, but despite a Kumasino or Yasantino, they say they almost believe that Santiba young people in Tanya, or Yasantina you will be there. Richard Niamakwe are spending millions of dollars at the birthday. Ya no be an complaining say they want first kind of minimum. But billionaire despite any sika born better. It was me see Otumba Museum. Me see Bongo ideas where can was as much kind of TikTok is going to be Abby addressing.
Bongo ideas say despite car museum now we be no. And keso to me be you may be na despite multimedia group okra man for intia man for kabe 3-4 months ni na intino esanko to me be adwuma na man for bro koni. Hey Bongo adwuma sen na we be adwuma sen he who asks of equity must come with clean hands. Uni min adwuma dodo despite die na car museum no kra na we be no enye adwuma unim adoye dodo despite aye indirectly kra omo adoye na so omo so a omo so omo koya man for adoye no kra no wo say one hwe kra your entire life untumi nye sa adoye say ma obi sika de ode me mfa ho despite it's not responsible for say o bi ndwuma ma man for aye o ono no wenya ne sika ono kwan ope ohun kwan fa so pe ne sika o di aban na de woka despite on de woka na Bongo no sometimes no only followers no bi mu di nechi say omo di Bongo echi ana say Bongo ideas ye follow no the guy no a lot of times he doesn't make sense o ohia kasa pa de mi so na me hu say ehia for no ye kan kwase asem pi ye kan kwase asem ebi ni say obi akwakoto na ade no say me menyi sika me mfa nto ade we da one time a friend of mine solo ma bodin ya wo na e ka de man say me also the also on first can be any bibida. I've forgotten, but let me give you a scenario. Say be also say me nkoto wig say 50 million dollars. So I say I would never do it in my life. In here for the casa asem. And I'm a man a simple scenario be. So take for instance you are making like 50,000 cedis every day. About nkoto wig 200 cedis. Unisika. In the moon kwa na wokan. We on the part of your friend is saying here for your we no your part of Bongo ideas one kasa yi kura one kan yi kura he's not watching something sa kwa na kasa no I say ye cheni sika because ehun here ntino I am kwasi asem ideas na woni trim no e fa na jimi samonko a
Tiraje mama e wo comment section how you Penyah brought me